Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So Christmas has been and gone and we are waiting for New Year's Eve. And every year on my channel I do a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. And it is kind of like a party makeup tutorial because every year I do have a party in my house for New Year's Eve because it's my dad's birthday. And we always have family around to celebrate the new year and his birthday. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so primer. So I'm going to prime my face using the NYX First Base Primer Water. And then for actual primer, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover primer using my Real Techniques Stippling brush. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using a full coverage foundation, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in the shade Porcelain. So obviously for a party or, well, New Year's Eve, you want full coverage makeup, and also I need matte because I have oily skin, so this is perfect. So I'm going to take my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe foundation brush to apply this. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Contour Brush to blend it in. Okay, now for powder, I'm using my Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in the shade Fair. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush to set around my eye area first. And then I'll use my You Spicy 31 brush to set the rest of my face. Okay, for contouring, I'm using my NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe, and I'm using my You Spicy 27 contour brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using my e.l.f. bronzer in the shade Golden. And I just mix all the colours together using my Real Techniques blush brush, and I just bronze. Then for blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is in the shade Exposed, and I'm using my Real Techniques Multitask brush. And then for highlight, I'm using my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlight in the shade Lunch Money on my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, so I'm going to be using some Makeup Geek eyeshadows today for my eyeshadow look. Okay, so I'm first going to go in with Crème Brulée by Makeup Geek on a Morphe R37 brush in the crease. Then I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Frappé, and I'm going to put that on the outer corners and blend it through as well. Okay, now I'm going to take those two colours on my Morphe E18 pencil brush on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Heigh, and it's from the Disney Designer Collection, and it's like a sparkly, like kind of like a beigey, creamy, champagne type colour. So I'm going to take my little finger and I'm going to put this all over my lid. that's just a really simple, easy eye look, but it also looks really nice for New Year's Eve. So now I'm going to take my NYX Slide On Brown Perfection eyeliner. And then I'm going to take my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And then I'll go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And then finally for lips, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 05 Loyalist. I picked this one because it lasts a really long time, and that's what you want if you go into a party, and it's also matte, so it's really nice. So this is it. This is my completed New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. It's a bit toned down compared to some other years that I've done, but it's still nice and glam. You've got the matte lip, and you've got really nice sparkly champagne type eyeshadow, and I think it looks really nice together. So yeah, this was my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, so I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And I hope you've had a lovely Christmas, and I hope you have a lovely happy new year as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!